Hi friends, it's Teresa here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a cruise on the Small World ride at Disney World, and I'm going to document this ride using the Small World After All digital collection from Kellybell Designs. This is for the Kellybell Creative Team, and so I printed out 4 photos from the ride. Now listen, it's hard to pick. I had probably 150 photos from this ride, but I chose 4, and that's what I'm going with. I'm going to do kind of a basic 4-photo grid layout here, and these are the embellishments that I have printed out. This is the background pattern paper, and also that beautiful It's a Small World title from the collection as well. And so let's just jump right in here. Also, I wanted to note the little hand, the Mickey hand, is from Hallmark stores. That was a fairly recent purchase, so in 2024, in March, April of 2024. They're probably still available at Hallmark. I get asked about my Disney containers, so I thought I would let you know where that came from. And so the layout itself, the grid layout itself, is going to radiate from the title. That's a go-to design for me for 12 by 12 layouts, is to print your photos, decide where you want your layout, where you want your title to go, and then build everything around that. So I'm gonna adhere the photos down. They're just like 3 by 3, give or take a little bit. What I do is I crop them down into Photoshop and then add a stroke. It's like a 30 pixel stroke inside the photo to create the white border. Really simple. Print it out, cut it out, and they're good to go. Some of the embellishments here, these 2 clusters, I built just using the individual embellishments and then combined them into a smart object and added a white stroke to those clusters as well. One, so that they stand out next to the patterned background. I love the patterned background. I think it's beautiful, and I think that it creates for a very vibrant, exciting layout, but your eye does need a way to focus on the individual elements on the page too. And so that's why I chose to add those white borders. Some people say, some people ask me, like, how do you make the decision to add white borders or not? And mostly it depends on what kind of background am I working on, and how can I help those elements stand out more on the page so that your eye can focus on that particular element. I'm going to say that this layout was one of the easiest that I've ever done and came together the quickest. My Photoshop process was about 15 minutes, and my filming process was about 20 minutes, so not even an hour to create this. I did very simple word flare and word strips for each of the photos, and I just chose some that went with the vibe. I put the journaling on a journal card that's actually, I printed it a bit smaller so that it would just tuck behind the photo and the title. And that is a very simple but fun and exciting Small World layout. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here again very soon. Bye-bye.